Hi everyone, I've got a VW Polo here, just doing tracking on this. It's going to show you how it's done. I've had a request on how to do the front wheel tracking. First, what you do is align the steering wheel, make sure it's nice and straight. So that's basically right there, so this is all nice and straight now as well, so the steering wheel is nice and straight. What we're going to do next step is to set the machines up, so we'll do that now. Give us a sec. Right, now that I've set all the machines up, as you can see on the front here, that there is on plus 4.5, and on the back here it's just under 11, so it's definitely out. Now on the driver's side there, that's on plus as well, so it's basically towed in both ways. So what we need to do is we're going to do a toe in, toe out on the front, and that's under 8. So what we need to do is get it down to 0. So we'll be right back. Right, now that we're under the car, you can see the numbers better now. So that's towed in green, and that's towed in green as well. So what we're going to need to do first is get, right, as you can see now that I've got it to 0 on both sides, I had to add the numbers up on the back, which was just 4.5 on one side and 9.25 on the other side, which is 13.75 divided by 2, just over 6.5, just under, no, so the 13.75 would be 6.5, just over 6.5 on each side. That's what we're going to do now. Adjust it through the same tie rod. You'll then get the front numbers up. We'll just show it to you in a second. Right, now that I've done it, as you can see, this is towed out now, 2.5, just under 3 on that side there. On the driver's side, that's in plus, towed in, 2.5, and on the back, you've got just under 7 on this side, and just under 7 on this side as well. So that's all done. Now I just got to lock it back up, make sure it's all locked up and everything. So that's what you need to do on your car. The only way you can do this is by having a tracking device. If you haven't got the tracking device, you may not be able to do it yourself. Then you need to take it to a workshop or local garage near you that can do it for you. Thanks for watching our channel. Goodbye.